Hi there! Let me show you how to change the font size and font style of your Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. Let's get started. Swipe up to open all of the applications from which we are gonna choose settings. And here, just search for the display tab because in this display tab we would be able to find the font size and font style. And here they are. Tap the font style to switch to any other option, for example this rosemary. Just wait a couple of seconds and you already can see how the style has changed. You can also enable bold font if you prefer it that way, so the text will be more bold now. And now, as for the font size, just drag the slider or click minus or plus to make the text bigger or smaller. And when you're done, just save the changes by going back in the settings. And now our font size is much more bigger than before. You can also enable touch sensitivity, which is really helpful when it's winter, for example, and you're wearing gloves. And that's it! Now you know how to change the font style and the font size of your Galaxy Watch 7. Hope this video was useful for you. Thank you so much for watching.